Drawing realistic hair might seem challenging, but with a few simple steps, you can achieve stunning results. Let's start by lightly sketching the outline of the hairs. Keep it basic, focusing on the shape and size. Now, imagine the direction the hair flows. Is it straight, curly, or wavy? This will guide your strokes. Begin with light, wispy lines to define the general shape of the hair. After, draw a base layer. Now I use nib of the pen focusing on the shape and size. To draw a hair shape with the help of charcoal pencil. I pay attention to light and shadow. Shade the areas where hair overlaps. Adding highlights and blending shadows. Remember, hair isn't perfectly smooth. Add texture by drawing irregular lines and stray hairs. Now, observe the natural fall of hair strands. Adding highlights and blending shadows. Remember, hair isn't perfectly smooth. Add texture by drawing irregular lines and stray hairs. Adding highlights and blending shadows. Finally, refine your drawing by adjusting tones, and there you have it. Highlights and blending shadows, and there you have it. With practice and patience, you can draw realistic hair that brings your artwork to life. Thanks a lot for watching the video.